Daniel had written one big goal on the first page of the notebook, but the page was still clean, untouched for a month. Every night he promised himself he would start tomorrow, and every morning his mind found a new excuse. I need more time. I need a better plan. Days turned into weeks, and the notebook slowly started to feel heavier than a brick. One evening, Daniel noticed something strange. He was exhausted, even though he had done nothing important. He wasn't tired from work. He was tired from thinking. His mind kept running the same loop. What if I fail? What if people laugh? What if I'm not good enough? The goal started to feel like a mountain, and Daniel felt smaller every day. One night, he opened the notebook again, but instead of writing, he just stared at the empty page. Suddenly, a strange thought appeared in his mind. What if the problem isn't the goal? What if the real problem is waiting for motivation? Daniel realized something uncomfortable. He had been waiting to feel ready, but in 3 years, that feeling never came. Then he remembered something his old teacher once said. Motivation doesn't start action. Action creates motivation. The idea felt strange. Could it really be that simple? Instead of planning for hours, Daniel wrote just one tiny task. Work on the goal for 5 minutes. That was it. No perfect plan. No pressure to succeed. Just 5 minutes. Even his mind couldn't argue with that. The next morning, he started the timer. 5 minutes felt harmless. But something unexpected happened. After 5 minutes, he didn't stop. His mind slowly became quiet. The fear that had been loud for years suddenly became softer. Because fear loves thinking, but fear hates action. Day after day, Daniel repeated the same rule. Just start for 5 minutes. Some days he worked 30 minutes. Some days only 5. But something powerful was happening. He was finally moving. Weeks later, he looked at the notebook again. This time every page was full. Daniel smiled quietly. The goal was never the hard part. Starting was the real battle. And the secret was simple. Force the start, not the result. Sometimes the biggest goals fail for one simple reason. We wait too long to begin. Start small. Start messy. But start today. Your future is built by tiny actions repeated every day. Subscribe for more stories that train your mind to win.